We know what it takes. What it takes to be accurate. What it takes to be reliable. What it takes to strive for excellence. And for the past 40 years, we have done whatever it takes to be the strategic partners your business demands, doing whatever it takes to provide you with flexible warehousing, to provide fulfillment and transportation services, and to continue to provide you with supply chain solutions, continuing to optimize your logistic experience, and continuing to use cutting-edge software that makes your operations easier. We're here, doing whatever it takes to go above and beyond, to elevate the business of third-party logistics. We're confident, we're reliable, we're ready to mobilize. Moran Logistics is ready today to do whatever it takes to support your lean supply chain of tomorrow.